How to find saved usernames on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved usernames on Android phone. First, then open settings and then just scroll down until you find this one, security, and then click password vault and type your phone password here. And as you see here, we'll find the saved usernames, and that's it. You will find here saved usernames and password, and here you can manage autofill settings, and that's it. That's how to find saved usernames on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.